everyone. I'm Dr. Arlene, backyard gardener and educator, and welcome to my channel, Arlene's Garden. Today, I'm going to be harvesting all of the beets that you see here in this bed. It's February in the garden, and it's time to harvest the beets. So come on along with me in Arlene's Garden. Let's get started. Okay, so as it turns out, my beets were rather small. Some of them were smaller than golf ball size. Some were as big as a golf ball. But I thought, okay, now would I want to roast them being that small? What do I want to do with these beets? So I decided I would go ahead and pickle them, and they pickled beautifully. And I'm just going to go ahead right now and give you my pickling recipe. I'm going to go ahead and make some brine because I have some other vegetables that I'll be harvesting and pickling as well. So my beets are already pickled. I just want to say that. And this is my pickling recipe. I use 1-to-1 ratio for water and vinegar. So I'm using 2 cups of water. I'm sorry, 1 cup of water, 1 cup of apple cider vinegar, 1/3 of a cup of sugar, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Now, it's best to use either sea salt or kosher salt, because iodized salt, it won't affect the flavor or anything like that, but depending on what you're pickling, it could affect the color of your brine. The iodine in the salt could affect the color of your brine. Otherwise, it shouldn't matter. And I decided to do this at the last minute, and the only thing I have right now is iodized salt, so that's what I used. But the recommended type of salt is either kosher salt or sea salt without the iodine. So that is my brine recipe, and I just boil it. And then after it is boiled, I pour it into I pour it over the vegetables. Now, these beautiful beets, I'm so proud of these beets. One harvest made one little jar of beets. I didn't have that many, but this is what I have, and they're absolutely beautiful. And I can't wait to eat them. I already tasted the brine, and I tasted one of the little pickled beets, and tasted so good. I can't wait. So today has been a productive day in February. I harvested my beets, pickled them, and now I'm going to just enjoy the rest of my day. And I hope that you all do too. Thank you for joining me in Arlena's garden. God bless. Bye-bye.